myself Dr. Sangeeta Sharma, Associate Professor PG Department of Chemistry, Government डूंगर कॉलेज बीकानेर। आज हम MSc फाइनल 9B फिजिकल स्पेशल पेपर में HK थ्योरम पार्ट 2 में एप्रोक्सीमेशन, जो एक्सचेंज कोरिलेशन फंक्शनल भी कहलाता है, के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। The major problem with DFT is that the exact functional for exchange and correlation are not known except for the free electron gas. However, approximation exists which permit the calculation of certain physical quantities quite accurately. One of the simplest approximation is the local density approximation LDA, where the functional depend on the density at the coordinate where the functional is evaluated. E LDA XC is equal to integration epsilon XC n r t cube r. The local spin density approximation LSDA is straightforward generalization of the LDA to include electron spin also, which is given in the formula below. In LDA, exchange correlation energy is typically separated into the exchange part and the correlation part. E exchange is equal to Ex plus Ec. The exchange part is called Dirac, sometimes Slater exchange, which takes the form Ex dn 1/3. Highly accurate formulae for the correlation energy density Ec n clockwise, n anticlockwise have been constructed from quantum Monte Carlo simulation. The LDA assumes that the density is the same everywhere. It has tendency to underestimate the exchange energy and overestimate correlation energy. The error due to the exchange and correlation parts tend to compensate each other to a certain degree. To correct, it is common to expand in terms of the gradient of the density in order to account for the non-homogeneity of true electron density, thus allow correlation based on the changes in density away from the coordinate. These expansions are referred as generalized gradient approximation GGA. E GGA XC n is equal to integration E XC n clockwise, n anticlockwise, del n clockwise, del n anticlockwise, n r d cube r. Generalization to include magnetic field. The DFT formula described above break down to various degree in the presence of vector potential, that is a magnetic field. In such a situation, the one-to-one mapping between the ground state electron and wave function is lost. Generalization to include the effects of magnetic field have led to two different theories: current density functional theory CDFT and magnetic field density functional theory BDFT. In both theories, the functionals used for the exchange and correlation must be generalized to include more than just the electron density. Application. The DFT finds increasingly broad application for interpretation and prediction of complex system behavior at an atomic scale. Specifically, DFT computational methods are applied for synthesis related systems and processing parameters. In such systems, experimental studies are often hampered by inconsistent results and non-equilibrium conditions. It can be for studying the effects of dopant on phase transformation behavior in oxide, magnetic behavior in dilute magnetic semiconductor materials, and the study of magnetic and electronic behavior in ferroelectric and dilute magnetic semiconductor. DFT gives good result in the prediction of sensitivity of nanostructures to environmental pollutants like sulfur dioxide or acrolein, as well as prediction of mechanical properties. KS theory can be applied in several distinct ways. The LDA are still commonly used along with plane wave basis set, as an electron gas approach is more appropriate for electron delocalized through an infinite solid. In molecular calculation, however, more sophisticated functions are needed. A huge variety of exchange correlation functionals have been developed for chemical application. Some of these are inconsistent with the uniform electron gas approximation. However, they must reduce to LDA in the electron gas limit. KS theory can be applied in several distinct ways. The LDA are still commonly used along with plane wave basis set, as an electron gas approach is more appropriate for electron delocalized through an infinite solid in molecular calculation. However, more sophisticated functions are needed, and a huge variety of exchange correlation functionals have been developed for chemical application. Some of these are inconsistent with the uniform electron gas approximation. However, they must reduce to LDA in the electron gas limit. Some important issue related to HK theorem. Cohenberg-Cohen theorem raised many questions regarding the extraordinary claim that there is a one-to-one matching between densities and external potential. In fact, HK theorem applies under certain circumstances. We do not concerned with these points, since in practice densities of atomic system do obey these constraints. Degenerate ground state. If there are more than one wave function corresponding to the ground state energy of a system, one no longer talk about the uniqueness of the ground state expectation value of operators. One cannot prove the first theorem, so a different way of formulating the above problem, which will also resolve the degeneracy issue. N and V representability. Leib-Levy constraint search formalism. V representable density is a ground state density that can be associated with a Hamiltonian that has external potential V. In HK theorems, one important assumption during the minimization as we vary the density, we assume that it remains V representable. It is, however, not clear that an arbitrary density which integrates to an integral number of electrons would be the ground state of smooth external potential. Example, any excited state density of single particle in finite systems. In order to overcome the V representability problem, a more general variational routine was proposed independently by Leib and Levy. Their extended minimization algorithm required the densities to be only n representable. An n representable density is one which can be derived from as an asymmetric wave function. This condition, being much weaker than V representability, was in fact proven by Harriman to be easily satisfied by an arbitrary density. Proof of Harriman's treatment. For a one-dimensional density n that integrate to n, define the auxiliary function fx as dfx upon dx is equal to 2 pi capital N x. On integration, fx is equal to 2 pi upon capital N integration from minus infinity to x n x dash dx. Equation number 9. Define a set of single particles orbitals phi kx is equal to under root nx upon capital N e minus k fx plus phi x. Equation number 10, where k is integral and phi x is an arbitrary phase factor. The orbital such defined can easily be demonstrated to be orthogonal and complete. A Slater orbital psi k1 to psi n made up of n such orbitals may constructed. The density operator is a single particle operator. With the help of Hartree-Fock derivations, psi k1 to kn operator n psi k1 to kn is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n capital psi k square is equal to nx, given in equation 11.